Google Bard vs ChatGPT. Google Bard and ChatGPT are both large language models, LLMs, that have been trained on massive datasets of text and code. They can both generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. However, there are some key differences between the two models. Google Bard is trained on a dataset that includes information from the internet, while ChatGPT is trained on a dataset that does not include information from the internet. This means that Google Bard is more up-to-date with the latest information, while ChatGPT may be more accurate with the information that was available before 2021. Additionally, Google Bard is trained on a dataset that is larger than the dataset that ChatGPT is trained on. This means that Google Bard has a larger vocabulary and can generate more complex and nuanced text. Finally, Google Bard is still under development, while ChatGPT is a more mature product. This means that Google Bard may have some bugs or errors, while ChatGPT is more likely to be stable and reliable. Overall, Google Bard and ChatGPT are both powerful LLMs that can be used for a variety of tasks. However, Google Bard has some advantages over ChatGPT, such as its access to up-to-date information and its larger vocabulary.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share my channel.